Hello, and welcome to another one of our educative videos designed to enhance your online shopping experience from within MyBidfood. In this video, we will be demonstrating how to retrieve digital copies of your invoices and credit notes linked to your account. As you can see now, we are on the MyBidfood homepage. Using my mouse, I will now access from the top right the Accounts drop-down menu, and in there, you will find access to invoices and credit notes, orders, or statements. I will now access the invoices and credit notes screen. In this page, you can choose to search by reference number or by choosing a start date and an end date. I will be showing you both. I will now type in my invoice number, which I'm looking for, and by clicking on the blue search button, you can see here that the information will be displayed for the invoices or credit notes that match that invoice number. By clicking on any one of them on the blue text, you will be able to open or view a digital copy of this invoice or credit note. If, however, you'd like to see the total record of all invoices within a certain period, you can rather do a search by choosing a start date and an end date. As you can see now, you will see a complete list of all credit notes and invoices in that period and be able to view any one of them. We know that this information will help you manage your business, and we thank you for watching, and we will see you soon in the next video.